Hi, my name's Connor. So today we're going to go for an example of completing the square.
So we're going to complete the square with this quadratic here. So it's x squared take away 10x plus 12. But let's just remind ourselves what completing the square is. So completing the square is a way of rewriting a quadratic into a form like this. So if you've got x squared plus bx plus c, it's a way of rewriting that quadratic into a different way of looking. Now you could have a number in front of the x squared there, but we're not going to worry about those kind of examples today. So with this example here, what we're going to do, we're going to have our pair of brackets like this. Obviously, we need a square there because that's the way we do this. We're going to have an x at the start. And then the rule is that this next number in the brackets is half of the x coefficient. So it's half of this number there. So half of minus 10 is minus 5. So you put minus 5 there. Then next what we do now is we must take away this number there squares. We look at that number, which is a 5. Whatever that number is there, we square it. So we're going to take away 5 squared. And then you've got to copy the 12. You've got to add that plus 12 at the end. And this ensures that this thing is exactly the same as this thing. So then we're going to get x minus 5 all squared. Now minus 5 squared, that's going to be minus 25. And then plus 12 at the end. So that leaves us with x minus 5 all squared, and then minus 25 plus 12 will give us minus 13. So that's our final answer. That's how we can complete the square with this quadratic there. And completing the square is very useful, especially if you do A-level maths. Is very useful in circle equations and also integration as well in calculus, that kind of stuff. So it does come up quite a lot in maths, this completing the square method.